Hello students, welcome to online classes of Shemstar Global School. This is Nabila Fatima. In the previous video, we have started the chapter Vision of Indian Constitution from Civics, and this is part 2 of that chapter. In the previous video, we have studied about preamble and we also discussed about some keywords which are there in the preamble like sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic. In this video, we will study the meaning of other keywords which are there in the preamble. The next keyword of our preamble is republic. It is that form of government where the head of the state is elected. So, republic means that the head of the country is not any king or monarch, but he is elected by the people of our country. People used to give the votes in an election and then they used to choose our head. So, the head of the country should be an elected person. India became republic on 26 January 1950 when the constitution officially came into force, and this year we celebrated our 70th republic. The head of the state in India is the president and it is elected for 5 years, and this is not hereditary post. And do you know that who is the president of India? Mr. Ramnath Kovind is the 14th President of India. Next keyword of our preamble is justice. There should be fair treatment towards every citizen. So, justice means that there should be fair treatment or behavior in the eyes of law. People cannot be discriminated on the grounds of caste, religion, or gender. And justice also includes punishment to those who violate the laws. Next keyword of preamble is liberty. There should be no unreasonable restrictions. Liberty means freedom. It means that there should be no unreasonable restrictions upon anyone. Example of liberty is freedom to go anywhere you want to go, do whatever you want to do, and say whatever you want to say. Liberty also includes freedom to give votes and form the government. The next keyword of preamble is equality. All the individuals are equal in the eyes of law. This is very important keyword in our preamble, as we all know that in India there are diversity in religion, culture, caste, gender. And according to this, all the people should be treated equally. They cannot be discriminated on the basis of their caste, creed, religion, or gender. The tradition social inequality should be ended and the government should ensure equal opportunities for all. Now, the last keyword of preamble is fraternity, means sense of brotherhood. Fraternity means brotherhood. All of us should behave as we are members of a same family, and no one should treat a fellow citizen as inferior. It is very important to promote fraternity in India because India is a nation of diverse communities, and thus fraternity leads to the unity and integrity of the nation, and unity leads to prosperity and development. Now we have completed all the keywords of our preamble. Please go to the previous video also, and if you have any problem in any topic, then please ask me by putting your questions in the comment section. Students, this is your today's assignment. This assignment contains 2 short answers, and this is of this chapter only, that is Vision of Indian Constitution. This is question number 4, which you have to write in your fair copy. And this is question number 5. Pause the video, write the answers carefully, and then send me in the form of PDF in Google Classroom.